Are you a small or medium-sized business owner, a marketer, or an entrepreneur feeling like you're constantly wearing too many hats? You're handling customer service, desperately trying to generate new leads, creating content for SEO, managing social media, and a million other things. Does it feel like you need an extra 10 pairs of hands? Or maybe an incredibly smart, tireless employee who works 24/7 without complaining? What if I told you that AI employee isn't science fiction anymore? Today, we're diving deep into a platform that's not just another chatbot, but positions itself as an AI worker or AI agent for your business. We're talking about Bursty AI. I've been exploring Bursty AI, and it promises to automate and handle crucial tasks like customer queries, bookings, lead generation, prospect research, SEO content writing, and so much more, all automatically. The big question: can it really act like a proactive, independent AI worker? And could it revolutionize how small and medium businesses operate? Stick with me, because in this review, we're dissecting Bursty AI's capabilities, who it's for, its incredible features, the powerful benefits, and whether it's the AI assistant your business has been waiting for. Plus, you'll definitely want to hear about their free trial with a generous helping of monthly credits. Now, before we unpack all the power under Bursty AI's hood, I know many of you are already intrigued, and here's the great news. Bursty AI lets you experience this firsthand with a fantastic offer. You can try Bursty AI completely free with 400 credits every single month. That's a substantial amount to really test out its AI workers and see how they can fit into your business operations. I've put a direct link in the video description below. Click that, sign up. It's quick, I'm talking like 2-minute onboarding, and you can explore its potential. No credit card is needed for the free plan, so it's a no-brainer to check out. 400 credits a month is seriously generous for an AI platform this versatile. The link's right there in the description. All right, let's get to the core of it. What exactly is Bursty AI, and what fundamental problems does it aim to solve for businesses like yours? Bursty AI isn't just another piece of software. It's designed to be your AI agent or a team of specialized AI workers. Think of it as an intelligent system that you onboard with your business knowledge, your website data, FAQs, documents, and then connect to your customer channels. Once set up, these AI workers don't just passively wait for commands like traditional chatbots. They are designed to take proactive action, performing specific tasks autonomously. It's built specifically for small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, struggling with the bandwidth for comprehensive customer service and consistent growth activities. Bursty AI steps in to handle overwhelming customer inquiries, providing 24/7 support across multiple channels, stagnant lead generation, actively researching and qualifying potential leads, time-consuming content creation, assisting with SEO content writing from planning to drafting, repetitive admin tasks, automating bookings, data entry, and more, siloed communication, unifying customer interactions from your website, WhatsApp, Slack, Messenger, and Instagram into one portal. The goal is to empower you to offload these crucial, yet often time-intensive tasks to AI, allowing you and your human team to focus on higher-level strategy, complex problem-solving, and building relationships. It's about making advanced automation accessible and manageable, even if you have no coding experience, thanks to its user-friendly workflow builder. It's like adding a highly efficient, multi-talented digital employee to your team. So, how does Bursty AI achieve all this? It's packed with a surprisingly deep set of features. Let's break them down into key areas of impact. 1. The 24/7 AI customer service agent. Imagine having a customer support agent that never sleeps. Bursty AI's AI chatbot acts as your frontline 24/7 customer support across all your key channels: your website, WhatsApp, Slack, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. This is huge for global audiences or businesses that get inquiries outside of standard hours. The key here is trustworthy answers. You train your AI agent with your own business knowledge, your website content, pre-written FAQs, uploaded documents. This ensures the chatbot provides accurate and relevant information, not just generic responses. It can handle customer queries, guide users, and even perform task automation like booking appointments or processing orders through API integration if you set that up. And the beauty is the multiple channel support. Customers can reach out on their preferred platform, and Bursty AI can manage these conversations, often from a unified inbox for you to oversee. It even supports over 60 languages, allowing you to engage with a global audience in their native tongue. Powering this are some of the latest AI models, like various versions of GPT, Gemini, and Claude, ensuring sophisticated conversational abilities. Plus, for businesses wanting a seamless brand experience, there's a white label option to remove Bursty AI branding and use your custom domain. 2. The AI Growth and Marketing Engine, Leads and SEO. Beyond customer service, Bursty AI positions itself as your customer growth assistant. This is where it gets really exciting for marketers and sales teams. It has dedicated workflows for lead generation. For instance, the LinkedIn lead research and email outreach workflow can fetch LinkedIn data, analyze it for personalized insights, and even generate tailored outreach emails. Similarly, it can perform lead generation from company search using LinkedIn data and AI scoring to rank potential business leads based on your custom rules. This is like having a tireless research assistant constantly looking for your next customer. Then there's the SEO content creation powerhouse. It offers a suite of tools to streamline this. You can create a topical authority map and blog plan, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your niche. It can extract LSI keywords and entities from top-ranked pages to inform your content. The one-click blog article writer aims to generate SEO-optimized articles using Google search data, AI-generated images, relevant YouTube links, and even internal links to your site. It can also convert YouTube videos to blog posts or transform top-ranked articles into fresh blog posts. And to make that content visually appealing, there's an AI image generator using models like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, allowing you to create unique images from text prompts. It can even generate AI blog images and post them directly to WordPress. This whole suite drastically cuts down the time and effort needed for content marketing, helping you improve your online visibility and attract organic traffic. Other SEO tools include website backlink research, internal links extractors, and automated URL indexing to Google for WordPress sites. 3. Core Platform, Power and Customization. Underpinning all these capabilities is a robust and customizable platform. The onboarding is designed to be quick, just 2 minutes to get started. The core process is straightforward. You add knowledge by uploading files, scraping your website, or creating FAQs. The AI then learns from this data. You then connect it to your channels and deploy your AI worker. What's really powerful is the customizable AI workflows. While Bursty AI offers many pre-built workflows for common tasks, you're not locked in. Its workflow builder allows you to tailor how your AI agent operates, connecting different actions and logic without needing to code. This means you can design automated processes that fit your specific business needs and expertise. It also boasts strong integration capabilities, allowing you to connect your AI workers to tools you already use, like Slack, Discord, Zapier, Make, and more. This ensures it can become a central hub for many automated tasks. And of course, security is addressed, with data hosted on cloud servers, with AES 256 encryption and access control. The system can also be set to retrain automatically with your latest data, ensuring your AI workers stay up to date. You can even create searchable knowledge bases from URLs or files for internal use, or to power your AI agents. So, we've explored the impressive features, but what are the tangible benefits for your business? Drastic efficiency gains and time savings, automating customer support, lead research, and content tasks frees up countless hours for you and your team. 24/7 operations and improved customer satisfaction. Never miss a customer query or lead opportunity, day or night. Instant, accurate responses improve the customer experience. Enhanced lead generation and sales. Proactive AI-driven research and outreach can significantly boost your lead pipeline and conversion rates. Boosted SEO and content. Output. Consistently create high-quality, SEO-optimized content to improve search rankings and attract organic traffic without the usual heavy lifting. Significant cost reduction. An AI worker can handle the tasks of multiple human roles at a fraction of the cost, making advanced capabilities affordable for SMBs. Scalability. Easily scale your customer service and growth operations as your business expands, without proportionally increasing your headcount. Data-driven insights. Features like user satisfaction metrics and behavior analysis from chat logs provide valuable data to optimize your services. Bursty AI essentially offers you a way to multiply your workforce and capabilities through intelligent automation, leveling the playing field for SMBs. And that brings us back to their very generous free trial. You get 400 credits every single month to put Bursty AI's AI workers to the test in your own business. There's truly no better way to see if it's the right fit. The link is right there in the description below. Click it, do the super quick onboarding, and start automating. What tasks would you automate first with an AI worker like Bursty AI? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If this review helped you understand what Bursty AI is all about, please hit that thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And for more reviews of game-changing AI tools for business and productivity, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching. Now go click that link, explore Bursty AI, and start building your AI-powered team. I'll see you in the next video.